Go. What'd you get?
A spaceship.
Yep. What spaceship is that?
You Skywalker rides a spaceship.
Yep. It's called the Millennium Falcon. Who drives it?
You Skywalker.
Who drives the Millennium Falcon?
Wait, have a letter.
Yeah, a card.
A card.
Yep.
Open it. Wait, I won't let you open it now. Look. Oh. Oh. That's the last one.
Yep. Here you go. Read it.
And I don't know. Oh God. You read it.
Let me see.